Yo, what's up everybody? This is the Vivosun Hydroponic Garden. Get ready, let's go! Oh my, yeah! Ooh, yeah! What's good, everybody? This is the Vivosun Hydroponic Garden with 108 plant sites. If you're watching this video, probably asking yourself, should I buy one of these? My answer to you is hell yeah. You need one of these right about now. Is it worth the money? Is it worth the investment? I gotta say it is. It is worth the investment. I'm getting lettuce, I'm getting greenery for my family every day, and it's okay. What do you need to get started? Well, let me tell you. But before we do that, let's take a little trip down memory lane. Oh yeah, all you need to get started is 6 LED lights, your Vivosun Hydro Garden, a BN Link outlet protector with timers, Maxi Grow, and your little water reservoir. Oh yeah. I think you and I should get some lettuce for my neighbor. Yummy, yum. Unfortunately, we did have some technical difficulties, but nothing's gonna stop us from staying connected. So my advice from me to you is make sure you get all the parts in all the right places before you pop them in tight, because once they're undone, you can put them back in the box and ship that bad boy. You see, my distributor did me dirty. She left out a very important piece. But there's nothing a little super glue can't do. And instead of calling it quits, I think we can make it work.